Hello, do you want to make cool animations just like CCLeaf, like Minecraft animations? I will show you a free way to do this on a free way and very easy. So this a very good YouTuber. His name is Brazycraft, and he made an editing pack with 4,000 assets. Now, if we go to this video on his and we scroll down here, he will get a link here for that you can buy for $100. Or there's a free version here, the demo with 50 assets we can do. So how we download this is very easy. So we have all this inside here. It's like you can read it, apple falling, arrow swipe, like this. We have magma cream falling, like this. If you want, we got like armor that's been broken in half, just like the big YouTubers, you know, the Minecraft YouTubers, the Hunger Games or whatever, whatever you watch. So I will go through a couple of here so you can see if there is anyone you like. And this, they have also some pictures here, like a crafting, like this, diamond wall that's just going from right to left and falling as well. You can see Flint is still spinning a lot of cool things here that you can use in your Minecraft videos, or if you want to do cool animations and things like that. This we can get for free, and I will show you how. So we will go on this YouTube video. He got a link down here. Grab the free demo. I will link this free demo down in the description. And how you do when you have this, you will have to go here, free version, and you can write 0. This is a tip, and you can buy this. Then we will write here edit. We will take the free version. Then we got the mail here. We can just write your mail, and you press this button right here, get. So your email address and click get. Then you will get a mail. You will get the email, and you will just click on that one, and you will come to this site right here. Thanks for buying the demo pack. Please rate it 5 stars and download the pack here. So if we download the pack right here, we will get this folder right here with all these cool ready animations. And this, they already have green screen or no screen at all, or transparent background. So it's easy for you to just put in your video, make it more high quality, more like professional, cool animations for your videos. So like stuff like that. So if this video was useful, please leave a like and consider subscribing. It means a lot for me. Have a good day. Bye.